So the moral of this video is to make sure that your roof actually dumps into the gutter. If you're going to run your rain catchment from a downspout, dry as a bone. All at the other end. So I have to move this down there. So in the meantime, since it's raining and the gutter's full, I poked a hole and ran an old time fix. I don't know if you can see that or not. Hold on. The water is flowing that way. I need it right there. There you can see the water flowing. Anyways, so since I've got water coming out here, I decided to move a barrel here. As you can see, my spout is completely covered. So back to the drawing board. Oh, fun. Now, I did watch a video from a guy. Let me try this here. Hold on one second. Look at it. Counterweight. Anyways, I saw a video of a guy, I forget who he was, somewhere out in the country, big farm, and he did a demonstration of a tarp and T-posts. In case nobody knows what a T-post is, this is a T-post. And it's got little hooks. Anyways, he set 4 of them up and put a tarp on them. Well, I had the ingenious idea, because I'm trying to catch clean water to do a second aquaponics set, and I'm not getting any clean water. So when the water, and I've dumped this bucket twice. This is the 3rd time. So when the water runs down here, it goes in the bucket. Usually goes in the grommet, but if you just leave it, it does. Here you go. I think that's what most people call redneck. Sorry. So I've got the second box almost full, if you can see it there. There's the label, and the label's about right here, right there. And that's going to be the second grow bed, which is not as deep but much bigger than that one. The tank for the fish, in comparison, that one and that one, I mean, it's like triple the size. So the water level won't fluctuate as grandly a disturbance as this one does. Anyways, oh, might as well look at the garden wire here. I'm down to 3 marigolds. I keep getting the bright idea of putting them over here in the dirt. And if you can see this, I don't know if you can even see that. See this hole? The squirrels, they're still burying stuff. It's June. Oh well. All right, that's enough of me grunting and groaning. Y'all have a wonderful evening.